The concept of performing proof of concept assessment early on is not a new idea. Stephen Paul and colleagues published a paper in 2010 where they were scrutinizing decline in R&D productivity despite the ever-rising drug development cost. And there were a lot of, potential causes discussed and reviewed in this paper, but one of the key findings, really, one of the takeaways was the high attrition rate that was identified in phase 2. Basically, in numbers, it was stated that only 34% of compounds that enter phase 2 would actually make it to phase 3. So in other words, 2 out of 3 compounds fail in phase 2. And why do they fail? Well, the main focus of phase 2, as you all know, is efficacy. So in most cases, due to lack of efficacy, these failures occurred. And this, of course, then the incorporation of proof of concept assessments that are looking at signals of efficacy earlier in development in order to allow for quick wins and fast fails enabled by those earlier reads on proof of concept data.